Hi, welcome back. As you can see, all of our indicators are now green, and our account is now active. So the next thing we can do is take a look at our public profile. This is what all attendees and patrons will see. We have your name, your picture. People are able to favorite you and share you. These buttons scroll down the page to the different sections. Your biography shows up here. And this is the real heart of the public profile, the live video and chat. We have 4 buttons here on the video section. If you're on mobile phone, this button will switch between your front-facing camera and your selfie camera. And this button will decide whether or not your video is muted when you begin. Since I only have one webcam, I'll leave these settings alone and start the video capture. This starts capturing the video from my webcam, but it's not online for everybody to see yet until you hit publish screen. This will begin the actual broadcast that other people will see. As you can see, we're live right now. Then over here, you start chat. You can start typing something. If you want to use a sticky message, start with open bracket, pin, close bracket, and type whatever message you want people to see when they first come in. It'll appear up at the top. If you want to get rid of that message, you can just close it altogether, or you can type a new message and change it. As people come into your room, you'll see them pop up on the side. There's the Art Farm curator paying us a visit. Each user will have a ban link next to them. When you open this, you're able to decide to mute the user, keep them out of your room for 24 hours, or permanently ban them from ever coming to your room again. This will not keep them out of your room. They'll be able to still come and buy things. It'll just keep them out of the chat, so you won't have to hear them. We scroll down a little further, we find our store, where you're able to sort by different categories or see the full gallery if it's not all displayed here. Each item pops up a little box for the people to purchase. You can see our 8x10 and our 11x17 we set up earlier. Anybody but you will have a buy and a save button. The buy button will add to the cart, and the save button will save it to their wish list. You don't get to see these buttons because we don't want you buying your own product. Users are also able to leave comments on your page. So if they really like a certain piece of art you have, they can type a comment and submit it. That comment then goes to your dashboard for review. You're able to reply or just approve, or delete it entirely if you don't want it. Going back to your profile, we scroll down further. Any original pieces or merchandise that you sell allows the user to leave a review. It's a star system as well as a typed message. And once you get news in your dashboard, That'll start popping up here to let people know what you're up to. From the home page, anybody who's live, if they're live streaming, will get this icon. If they're chatting, will get this icon. So the attendees will be able to quickly scan through the list of everybody who's involved and see who's actively online. Being actively online during an event really helps you sell your products. That is it for the public profile. You should now know everything you need to know to successfully navigate your event and get everything set up. If you have any other questions or comments, you can contact technical support through the contact page, which is at the bottom of every page. You're able to contact the convention promoters themselves or us through technical support. Thank you.